This 2025 Prime Time Crusader Full-Profile 382 mph is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Prime Time is 43 feet 5 inches in length and features a Dove interior, sleeps 9, Slideout, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, skylight, oven, microwave, TV, leveling jacks, refrigerator, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-bunk, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Prime Time Crusader Full-Profile 382 mph is 12,809 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.